Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with TinkerHUNT 20, so let's get cracking. Friends, you can find TinkerHUNT 20 in the description of this video. You can also visit HLModTech.com, and when you hit the TinkerCad page, if you scroll down, you can find all of the TinkerHUNTs listed right here. So right now we're opening TinkerHUNT 20. The explanation video I'm recording is right here, and the first thing I want to do is give the shout out to last week's winners. Congratulations to Aviuk, 8 straight, Christian, Serenity, Lavelle, Quentin, Harper, Ivan, Drew, and Ruby for also having 2 straight as they solved TinkerHUNT 19. Friends, that was the first time we had double-digit solutions, 10 winners, totally awesome. Thank you all for participating. Friends, remember when you're trying to solve this, you're trying to find the jack-o'-lantern, the rocket, Blanky, the celebrating kid with the HLModTech shirt, and the unicorn dude. They are all hidden super tiny all throughout the project. You can get to the project by simply clicking copy and tinker. Friends, please remember it takes a while for this project to load because of all the cool pieces I'm adding to it. The more pieces I have, the more tricky it gets for you, so as these ramp up, I'm trying to make them more awesome. I'm also adding cool things like if you note the little braille on the sign, if you click on the piece of braille, you can actually read the text by clicking on the braille generator. And I'm going to use this trick to scatter little bits of notes all throughout the project. Friends, the coolest way to navigate is to click on items and press F. It lets you zoom in and you can right click, look around. You can also use the view cube to look around. Quite a few objects are separate pieces, so you can do Control H to hide them and see if something was hidden in there. You could also click on a piece and use the arrow keys to open it just like it was a real drawer, which is pretty cool. After you've zoomed in, you can always back out by using the home view. You can click on items and do Control H to hide, so that way the house is not on your way. You can also click on items and hit T to make them transparent so you can look inside. Friends, I do want to highlight that the instructions are right here if you ever need them. I also give a shout out to the winners each week. You can see last week we had 10 winners, which was fantastic. I'd love to see us beat that number this week. Friends, when you give a solution, you can do it in 3 places. You can do it on YouTube, like I'm showing you right here. You can also do it if you're in my classroom in the Google Classroom, or you can do it on my website, which I'll show you in a second. When you solve it, this is a fantastic way to solve it. Tell me the item you found, where it was, and in what house it was in. It's as simple as that. Friends, I will take more than one correct solution on YouTube as well. Friends, if you can't post to YouTube, don't forget you can also click this messaging tool on HLModTech.com and shoot me your answer almost instantly. Finally, friends, if you do visit HLModTech.com, don't forget the designer showcase. This is the designer directory. Friends, this is a great way to check out your favorite designers. If you want your profile added to this list, simply use the form and shoot it to me, and I will publish it as well. When you do click on a user, don't forget, click on their design and give them a reaction. Let them know you appreciate the cool things they're creating. If you're trying to see the latest work instead of sorting by likes, boom, you can see their projects, including TinkerHUNT 20, with the shout out for all the people that solved it correctly. Finally, friends, I totally appreciate all your support, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or a solution, add it down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.